We are seeing a very active purchase market in 2024 with the mention of rates going down. We've seen a lot more buyers hitting the market. And if that's you, this video is very important. I suggest you watch it all the way through. I'm Garrick Werdmuller. I'm a mortgage broker in Alameda, California, and I can help you purchase a home all throughout the state of California with what we call the Fresh Home Loan Home Buyers Concierge Program. And how it works, it's a full pre-approval process, as well as me, really helping you when you're out there writing offers, negotiate on your behalf. Now, what is the Fresh Home Loan Home Buyers Concierge Program? This is a program I created just in doing my day-to-day business and trying to help clients get accepted. And probably the most challenging market in the nation is the Bay Area. So I've been here. It's the only thing I know. I know how to get your offer accepted. I know how to negotiate on your behalf against all cash offers and know how to win. So what the advantages include is that you're going to fill out an application, of course, like you do anywhere, run your credit, submit the documentations. We do a full credit report review. We do a home loan consultation reviewing rates, closing costs, monthly payments, different options. Maybe you want to know what's conventional versus FHA. We'll explain all that for you, just as an example. And we will have an underwritten pre-approval letter for you. We can close in 21 days or faster, depending on the situation. Usually, we can close in 21 days or quicker. You're going to get clear communication from me. You're going to be able to reach me or my team of human beings. And, we have a 30-day mortgage refresh program and consultations in rapidly changing rate markets. I know we saw things happen in the second half of 2023 where, every month there was a completely different scenario for buyers looking to buy. We have the ability to write non-contingent offers, and I can explain more about that when we're discussing your loan application. We actually call the listing agent when we need to, and on all the offers where it's requested by your agent, we'll call the listing agent, talk you up, let them know how fast and how solid our team is. And also we have rate lock and rate renegotiations in escrow, which is huge. A lot of times when you lock, like if you're at a big bank and you lock, they can't really renegotiate the rate if rates go down. But I can actually renegotiate the rate and get you a lower rate. Should rates drop dramatically in escrow, you're not going to have to be stuck with a higher rate. We're going to get you the rate you deserve. We also give you refinance alerts and keep you in the know after closing when mortgage rates drop and there is an opportunity for you. I can't tell you how many times, seriously, I've called my client and say, hey, I can get you into this at no cost or no fees. Do you want to go for it? It saves you X hundred a month. And they say yes. And it's a beautiful thing. So I'm Garrick Werdmuller. That's the Home Buyers Concierge Program. I really, really, really want to have the opportunity to help you buy a home. Give me a call. I look forward to helping you. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people.